Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today, we're exploring how to make edge refinement easier. Begin with a rough selection using fast selection tools, then enter mask overlay mode to clearly visualize problem areas. Adjust brush size and opacity to work gradually along edges, focusing on smooth transitions rather than perfection in one pass. Zoom in for complex areas like hair, fabric, or textured objects, and switch overlay colors to improve visibility when needed. Optional enhancements include using feathering sparingly and refining mask density for natural blending. Improving edge refinement speed and accuracy makes every masking task more efficient and professional.